Hugo! It was,
Ellie, what are you doing
it
at the
was
door?
Hugo! Amicia!
얼굴이 되게 슬퍼 보였어.
The rats! He was... He had control. Yes,
There you go.
Macula. Where does that go? Don't panic. The castle was designed for this kind of situation.
Your castle's falling apart. The rats are getting through the defenses like a hot knife through butter.
Listen, I have to talk to Hugo. I can...
You're bonkers. We have to get out of here.
Demetia, he's right.
Go through. No, no.
Get to work.
Hugo! Hugo!
Kill her, or I will kill your mother in front of you.
Hugo! It's me! Amicia! Your sister!
Kill her, child, and maybe Vitalis will keep you by his side.
Hugo, no!
Go on, child. She means nothing to you now.
I've been looking for you everywhere!
What are you waiting for? Cross the damn threshold, carrier.
Don't listen to him, Hugo!
Enough. I'll let your rats have her.
Don't touch him, you bastard!
Bastard! He gave himself up because you betrayed him. Thanks to him, Vitalis will soon be the sole carrier of the macula.
게임이니까 해피엔딩으로 끝날 거예요.
Hugo is the only carrier!
What? Blood now flows through the veins of the Grand Inquisitor!
Upside down!
Die!
나이스. 얘 기절한 줄 알았더니 다행이네.
Amicia.
Arthur, go make sure he's dead. I have to speak to Hugo.
Go ahead. I'll take care of him.
Hugo? Hugo! I just want to talk to you. He can't hurt you anymore, Hugo. Look! All right. I won't move. You come here. Come on.
You lied to me!
No! Hugo, I was trying to protect you. Please!
You lied to me!
No.
You did it.
Amicia.
You passed.
No!
Arthur!
You are no longer any use to me.
죽은 줄 알았는데.
Hugo, he mustn't see us.
We have to get out of here, Amicia.
My
They're
well,
afraid of the fire.
Wait.
Put them out there. We need those rats.
잠깐 이거 어떻게 쓰더라?
At last.
어떻게 하니? 뭐야? 이거 어떻게 휴고는 이거 쓸 수 없어? 내가 알아서 해야 되는 거야? 이거 어떻게 하는 거야?
You know your father didn't die. He died
탭키 눌러서?
directly.
아,
Hugo, he mustn't see us.
We have to get out of here, Amicia.
With my blade
They
dead.
hate that they're afraid of fire.
We'll put them out then. We need those rats.
알아서 그냥 가까이 가니까 알아서 저렇게
All right. You want to play? Let's play on equal terms.
뭐야?
Mustn't see you. The rats, Amicia. Kill them all.
We'll free more of them.
You have to hide, Amicia.
왜 안 꺼져? 잠깐만. 저걸 꺼야 되겠구나. 됐다. 칼 한 방에. 아, 얘 뭐하냐? 얘 왜 안 죽어?
Hell to you.
No, he got them all.
불이 더 심하게 붙었는데, 얘? 아, 맞다, 이거.
Hide, Amicia. Quickly.
왜 이렇게 빨라? 아니? 왜 도로 붙었어? 됐다. 나무 상자 뽀갤 때?
Alicia! Arthur! No, no, no! Arthur! I'm going to kill him. I'll tear them apart. Melly, just shut up, all right?
Stop it, please.
I'll kill them all. I'll burn their fucking
Lily,
banner!
you'll never make it.
What about you? You're just gonna stand there. Just wake up. Look!
You don't know what you're saying.
I do know we're getting killed. One by one. They got my brother. Your father. Yours. There's nothing left. Nothing! She's right.
Amicia, this is crazy.
5 of us. Against an owl.
I think there are a lot more of us now.
Has he passed the threshold?
Yes, I believe so. Hugo, what do you want to do?
I want to save Mommy.
That changes a lot of things.
Even if it kills us, what have we got to lose?
Us? Nothing. But Vitalis. Now we can stop him. So let's go.
To the death.
To the
To the
death.
death.
G 조종하는 거에 완전 적응했다 이거네. 대관식?
It's huge. How are we going to find Mommy?
We'll get her out of there, Hugo.
Right, that's enough hanging around.
Hey, wait!
I'm really sad.
She'll be all right.
But can't we help her?
That's why we're here. To help her get revenge.
And to keep her alive.
We got the kid and the rats. We're invincible.
Oh shit!
What's the matter?
Melly, calm down.
Those fucking rats blocked the safest entrance.
They didn't mean to do it, Melly.
We don't have a choice. We have to try the great door. But watch out.
Oh, Melly, wait!
화가 단단히
Is she
났는데.
angry with me?
No,
나한테 화가 나.
she's just angry full stop.
But
Give her a little time, Hugo.
귀여워.
Watch out.
왜 앉아있지?
Hey, do you think it's already started?
I hope so, because there's more and more of them around here.
3. It's risky.
Dallas knows what he's doing.
We're better off using the back door.
That's what he says.
Chances are it's locked. They're going.
It's in the shithole. We don't even know what's really going on in that damn cathedral.
Time to make our move. Lucas, follow me. Melly.
Have faith. In the meantime, we have a job to do. Right, I'm going back.
Be careful.
Oh shit.
I'll be seen.
Hey! Stop!
I'm going to help him. Stay here.
어떡해.
Make it. She knows the town. She'll lead them a dance. Come on, we have to take advantage. Take care of him. You're finished.
어? 못 먹네?
Good job. He won't be getting up anytime soon. Trust me.
역시 몽빵.
It's changed a lot since last time.
The bells. The cathedral, Amicia. That's where Vitalis is.
Which means Mother is too.
That bastard's gonna get a surprise.
First, we have to find the others.
어.
I want to see the conjuration up close.
The important thing is that the Grand Inquisitor gets rid of the bite.
What's that shaking?
It's the rats. They're here, beneath us.
So they're the ones who destroyed everything.
이쪽으로 가면 되는 거 아니야?
Look at the ground.
못 가구나.
They don't want to listen to me.
이쪽이 아니야? 어떡하라고?
They can't hear me.
아, 불을 꺼서.
Yes, they're listening to me.
Whoa. Watch out, guards.
No one's seen Nicholas, the assault on the kid's hideout.
Hasn't Vitalis sent anyone out to search for him? That's weird. The captain was always his protege.
Vitalis has changed since the carrier arrived.
Perhaps he's gone and found himself a new protege.
아, 저 녀석.
The guard.
You're going to pay.
Nice.
I might have got a little carried away.
저거.
Hey, you there! I'm gonna beat some manners into you.
그다음.
What was that? What's that? Don't expect me to give up. Well, look what we have here.
잠깐. 아, 너무 늦었다. 아, 불 꺼야 되는데. 에이, 저 돌로.
Watch out, guards.
No one's seen Nicholas, the assault on the kid's hideout.
Hasn't Vitalis sent anyone out to search for him? That's weird. The captain was always his protege.
Vitalis has changed since the carrier arrived.
Perhaps he's gone and found himself a new protege.
어,
What's that?
아씨.
I'll have to go and see.
어이?
Can't tell what it is from here. It's over.
아, 아이, 짜증나. 겨냥이 안 돼, 궁수.
Watch out, guards.
No one's seen Nicholas, the assault on the kid's hideout.
Hasn't Vitalis sent anyone out to search for him? That's weird.
안 되네.
The captain was always his protege.
Vitalis has changed since the carrier arrived.
Perhaps he's gone and found himself a
Ah.
new protege.
That one's for you.
Come on me.
어, 아이씨.
I wouldn't like to have been on the end of that.
Hey, what are you doing there? Look what we have here.
잠깐.
So, there you are.
잠깐. 아, 왜 이렇게 어렵나?
Watch out, guards.
오씨.
The assault on the kid's hideout.
Hasn't Vitalis sent anyone out to search for him? That's weird. The captain was always his protege.
Vitalis has changed since the carrier arrived.
Perhaps he's gone and found himself a new protege.
아, 쟤한테 계속 걸리는데.
Take care of it.
They're not paying attention to me.
뭐야, 이거 진짜 아까 그거.
Good job.
I thought he'd be tougher to take down.
What are you doing? Finally. I thought I'd never
아니야?
find you.
됐다. 아. 쟤는 불을 끄고 아니 너무 밝은데? 그냥 걸려.
Definitely looks like there's something. Found you.
Not answering. You don't want to listen to me.
아이 새끼야.
Can't hear me.
왜 안 돼? 뭔데?
Not answering.
아, 이 불을 안 꺼서 그런 거야? 뭐야? 숙여.
You can't. I need you. Natural. That's what it is.
Can you take care of him?
You're going to pay. Perhaps. The end. Where are you? Yes. Gotcha.
Let's go.
I wish I was strong like that.
Mate, you have an army of rats.
Roderick,
Do we have to open this?
I don't see a lever.
I'll take care of it. On your mark.
Alone?
Do you want to do it?
Roderick, you're up.
Yeah.
Whoa.
어쨌든 해결했다는 거.
Quickly.
Look out.
어우 넘어왔어. 아 이걸 어떻게 하냐?
Very strong, man. Summoning is soon to commence. The Grand Inquisitor is about to save us.
The rats. They want to come out.
지들이 나오고 싶어 한다고? 어디 있는데?
What happened to you? Oh shit. Should have been more careful.
한 명씩.
Badly for you, trust me.
너 어딨니?
It's blocking them.
Hey there.
왜 먹었어?
Alicia, you're alive. Listen, Vitalis is at the cathedral.
That's all very well, but the whole battalion is coming our way. You need to get out of here.
Take the stairs.
The
Where?
house has an exit on the other side.
The one that's on fire.
어차피
We
이리 가야
can't go
되네.
back. Go. We'll meet you on the other side.
Be careful.
Come on. The house.
아. 안 되는데?
I'll break it down. You swine! You'll see.
Some guards are coming.
Roderick, take cover. We'll handle them, Hugo.
Have fun.
What's that over there?
아,
You there! Wait a minute!
No, no, no!
우선 이쪽으로. 아이 새끼야, 나 내려와.
So you are hiding, eh?
You did it! Hugo, are you alright?
됐다.
Yes, I think so.
It's alright, Roderick.
Remind me never to make you too angry, alright? Right. This time, it's going to work. Shit! Some plan!
No, monsieur! We can't!
이리 못 가?
Nothing will happen to you, I promise. Roderick, are you with us?
To hell and back.
아, 못 가져가네. 빨리 가자.
Be careful. Can you do it?
Alright.
와, 너 뜨겁지도 않냐?
The ceiling's gonna cave in!
Calm down.
Hugo, you beat the captain of the Inquisition. You're a tough guy. Tougher than I am.
Really?
I never lie.
This must be the exit.
열어. 일산화탄.
The guard, you're finished. Nice.
He won't be getting up anytime soon. Trust me.
많아.
Watch out.
You were told that intruders will be tried on the spot. The place is quarantined and under the jurisdiction of the Inquisition.
But we are not sick! Look at us!
We only wanted to get our belongings back.
Amicia, what do we do now?
Hang on, I'm thinking.
Guards, this way!
내가 해결할게.
Oh, thank you! Thank you! Lord bless you! Yes, thank you! And good luck!
Hey, wait!
아이고.
Take cover! Archers!
Well done, men! Keep your eyes open! No one must approach the cathedral!
Ah, too dangerous. The archers shoot on sight. We're stuck here.
우리도 절로 가야 돼? 탄약 가방?
This should make things a little easier.
더 이상 안 돼? 안 되는구나. 아,
The cart! Roderick! If we push it to the portcullis, it will give us cover. Hugo will be protected behind it. Hey!
에?
Leave it, Amicia.
What are you doing?
Stay back with your brother. I'm pushing.
Roderick, let me help.
I'll be fine. If you want to help, keep an eye out for guards.
Alright. Alright, let's do this.
Don't worry.
아 잠깐만, 쟤도 화살 썼잖아. 이게 괜...
Soldiers! Soldiers ahead!
Amicia, they're all yours.
아 어떡해. 아 잠깐만. 아 나 수면 그게 없구나.
The cart! Roderick! If we push it to the portcullis, it will give us cover. Hugo will be protected behind it. Hey!
Leave it, Amicia.
What are you doing?
Stay back with your brother. I'm pushing.
Roderick, let me help.
I'll be fine. If you want to help,
다시 해야 돼.
keep an eye out for guards.
Alright. Alright, let's do this.
Don't worry about me, kid.
내 걱정은 하지 말래.
Soldiers! Soldiers ahead!
Amicia, they're all yours.
제가 들어오는 거잖아.
Bastards!
Amicia, they hit him!
Roderick, leave.
아,
Amicia!
또 와. 아, 개 같아. 아, 영 나와. 아, 계속 오네. 아, 템 됐어. 그냥 가자.
The cart! Roderick! If we push it to the portcullis, it will give us cover. Hugo will be protected behind it. Hey!
Leave it, Amicia.
What are you doing?
Stay back with your brother. I'm pushing.
Roderick, let me help.
I'll be fine. If you want to help, keep an eye out for guards.
Alright. Alright.
그래서 슬픈 음악이 이렇게 잔잔하게 나왔던
Don't worry
거였구나.
about me, kid.
Soldiers! Soldiers ahead!
Amicia, they're all yours. Bastards!
Amicia, they hit him!
Roderick, leave the cart, please.
No! We needed to reach the portcullis.
지금 화살 맞고 있는 것 같은데.
Amicia, they're behind us!
Bastards! You bastards!
I've reached the stairs. Come quick!
More of them!
Don't worry.
어,
No, no, no!
와, 진짜. 여기서 또 다시야?
The cart! Roderick! If we push it to the portcullis, it will give us cover. Hugo will be protected behind it.
아, 짜증나.
Hey!
Leave it, Amicia.
What are you doing?
Stay back with your brother. I'm pushing.
Roderick, let me help.
I'll be fine. If you want to help, keep an eye out for guards.
Alright. Alright, let's do this.
Roderick!
Don't worry about me, kid.
안타까워서 먼저 죽으신 건가요? 아, 쟤들을 죽이면 안 돼?
Amicia, they're all yours.
다른 애들이 오는구나.
They hit him.
Roderick, leave the cart, please!
앞에서도 오고 막 그러니까.
Portcullis.
아, 할 수가 없네.
Bastards! You bastards!
I've reached the stairs. Come quick.
You're almost there!
어떡해.
Don't die, Roderick. Can't die.
I just need a break.
That's it, Roderick! Leave it! Take cover!
We're here.
Come on!
어떡해.
Oh my god, Roderick!
I'm a bit better. I'm right behind you.
All right.
아, 지금 화살 맞은 몸으로 이것까지 열려고?
Hugo, go!
Your turn.
아, 너무 이게 장면 슬프다.
We'll get you out!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hugo, come on. We have to go. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. This can't be happening.
Melly, please! No! Those bastards have to pay! I'll make them pay!
Our priority is to stay alive and stay together. That's why Roderick and Arthur sacrificed themselves.
Just leave me alone!
She's right, Millie.
Roderick.
He's gone, Hugo. He's resting now.
I can't take any more of these bloody rats! Bastards!
But they're going to get us too.
Really? How?
Like this.
How do you...
Wow, it's really happening.
Hugo, tell me you're going to help us kill those bastards.
Melly,
We've got no chance without your brother, Alicia. You get that, right?
I will help you. And you're going to help us save Mummy.
You've got yourself a deal.
남자친구 아니고요. 남편이야, 남편.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
가자. 저쪽에도 템이 있는데? 히하, 유코님 어서오세요. 아. 아. 이거 뭐부터 해야 되는 거야? 너무 많아.
Here. The cathedral. Fuck. It's a bloody mess. Get ready.
불부터 어떻게 해야 되나? 아, 잠깐만. 아, 쟤는 횃불이었네. 아, 짜증난다, 이거.
Here.
횃불 들고 있고, 어떤
The
거는.
cathedral. Fuck.
아,
It's a
씨.
bloody mess. Get ready.
아, 궁수도 어떻게 해야 되는데.
Hey,
아, 그지 같아. 기다리면 하나씩 올까요?
The cathedral. Fuck.
궁수 쏘는 순간 애들이.
Get ready.
아이.
what was that? I'm being attacked over there.
아, 오는걸? 아. 뭐야, 이거 왜 안 먹어?
Is everything alright? I'm fine.
아, 씨. 아, 저 궁수 짜증나. 아, 기다리면 얼굴 풀려요?
Here.
아, 나 아직도 훌쩍거리네.
Fuck. It's a bloody mess. Get ready.
아. 아까 앞머리 좀 묶고. 아, 아니요, 아까 슬픈 장면이 나와가지고. 감기 걸려서. 근데 궁수 때리면은 저한테 오던데. 하얀 거? 여기 걸리는데 궁수 쏘면은? 아! 친구들을 버리라고요? 쟤들 죽으면은 끝나요.
Fuck. It's a bloody mess. Get ready.
Brothers, troublemakers have been spotted in the city. The ceremony is about to begin, and nothing can be allowed to interfere with the conjuration. All up.
저쪽 거는 저쪽으로 가서 잡아야 되나? 아, 걸렸네? 아, 시야에 들어가면 안 된다고? 아, 그건 알고 있는데